The rise of work-from-home opportunities in recent years has revolutionized the way we approach work and career prospects. With advancements in technology, communication tools, and remote collaboration platforms, employees and entrepreneurs now have the flexibility to work from the comfort of their homes. This shift has not only provided convenience but also opened up new avenues for individuals seeking a better work-life balance. One of the most intriguing aspects of this trend is the global reach it offers. People can now connect with clients, employers, and customers from around the world without leaving their homes. It has also led to a surge in digital nomadism, allowing individuals to explore different locations while continuing to be productive. Furthermore, this paradigm shift has given rise to various freelance opportunities across diverse industries, providing an alternative source of income for many skilled professionals. The ability to capitalize on these work-from-home opportunities represents a significant transformation in our modern workforce dynamics. In today's competitive job market, it's crucial to identify and leverage your strengths to stand out as a remote worker. Rather than focusing on skills you lack, concentrate on honing and showcasing the ones you excel in. One useful strategy is to reflect on moments when you've excelled, whether at work or in personal projects. What activities do you enjoy and perform effortlessly? These can shed light on your natural talents and guide you towards avenues where you can shine. Moreover, seeking feedback from peers or mentors can provide valuable insights into your strengths that you may not have fully recognized. Recognizing your unique skill set gives you a strong foundation for building a successful career from home, where highlighting what makes you exceptional is key to thriving in the virtual landscape. Building a solid online presence is crucial for anyone looking to work from home. One key aspect of this is establishing credibility in the digital space. This can be achieved by showcasing expertise through high-quality content, engaging with your audience on social media, and obtaining endorsements or testimonials from satisfied clients. By consistently delivering valuable and authentic content, you can position yourself as a credible and reliable professional within your niche. Furthermore, cultivating trust through transparent communication and integrity is vital for building a strong online presence. Being honest about your skills and limitations will not only bolster your credibility but also attract the right clients who value authenticity. Additionally, actively participating in industry events, webinars, or forums can help solidify your reputation as an authority in your field. Ultimately, establishing credibility online requires dedication, consistency, and a genuine commitment to providing value to your audience. Diversifying income streams is a key strategy for maximizing earning potential, especially in the ever-changing landscape of working from home. By tapping into multiple sources of income, individuals can spread their risk and capitalize on different opportunities. This doesn't just involve taking on multiple jobs or freelancing gigs. It also means exploring passive income streams like investments, rental properties, or royalties. Building diverse income streams not only ensures financial stability but also opens up avenues for exponential growth. One way to diversify your income is by leveraging your skills and knowledge in different ways. For example, if you're a graphic designer, aside from offering design services, you could create digital products such as templates or courses to sell online. Additionally, embracing new technologies and market trends can help you identify innovative income opportunities that might not have been available before. With careful planning and execution, diversifying your earnings can lead to a more secure and potentially lucrative financial future, essential elements for success in today's dynamic working environment. Finding a balance between work and home life can be a challenge, but with the right time management hacks, it's possible to achieve harmony. One effective strategy is to create a daily schedule that allocates specific time slots for work tasks and home responsibilities. This not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures that personal commitments are given the attention they deserve. Additionally, setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining balance. Establishing designated work hours and communicating them with family members helps avoid interruptions and sets clear expectations. It's important to remember that taking breaks and practicing self-care are equally vital components of effective time management. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can optimize productivity while also nurturing a healthy work-life balance. When it comes to financial planning, setting realistic goals is crucial for long-term success. It's important to assess your current financial situation and develop a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Setting achievable milestones can help you stay motivated and track your progress effectively. One effective tip is to break down your larger financial goals into smaller, manageable targets, making them less daunting and more attainable. Additionally, consider the potential roadblocks and challenges that may arise along the way, and adjust your goals accordingly. Being flexible in your approach allows for adaptation as circumstances change, ensuring that your objectives remain realistic and achievable. Lastly, seek guidance from financial professionals or mentors who can provide valuable insights and practical advice in setting realistic financial goals tailored to your individual circumstances. By following these tips, you can establish a solid foundation for successful long-term financial planning while staying motivated throughout the journey. In the pursuit of working from home and making money, staying motivated is a constant battle. Challenges and burnout can often feel insurmountable, but overcoming them is crucial for long-term success. One way to stay motivated is to set small, achievable goals and celebrate each accomplishment along the way. This helps break down larger tasks into manageable steps, providing a sense of progress and momentum. It's also important to find a healthy balance between work and personal life. Allowing time for relaxation, hobbies, or exercise can help prevent burnout and maintain motivation. Additionally, seeking support from like-minded individuals through online communities or networking groups can provide valuable inspiration and encouragement during tough times. Remember that staying motivated isn't just about avoiding challenges but also leveraging them as opportunities for growth and learning. In conclusion, embracing the freedom of working from home offers unparalleled opportunities for personal and professional growth. The autonomy to design your work environment, set your schedule, and balance personal responsibilities creates a sense of empowerment that can enhance productivity and overall well-being. Additionally, the elimination of a daily commute allows for more time to pursue hobbies, exercise, or spend quality moments with loved ones. However, it's important to establish boundaries between work and personal life to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Ultimately, working from home provides the flexibility to tailor your workflow according to individual preferences and needs. This freedom enables individuals to optimize their productivity during peak hours while accommodating other commitments at off-peak times. Embracing this flexibility fosters creativity and innovation in problem-solving as different perspectives are considered outside of traditional office structures. Moreover, the ability to customize one's work environment contributes significantly to comfort and satisfaction, factors that ultimately drive increased motivation and dedication towards achieving professional goals.